Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onyi Best and you're welcome to Onyi Best Beauty Patente B. Hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you're doing very okay. Alright, in today's video, we are still in continuation of Segnale di pericolo. And today we're talking about MATERIALE, INSTABILE sulla strada. Okay, we are approaching, okay, because I think it's about 2, 3, or 4 of Segnale di pericolo left that we have to do, and then we'll continue from where we stopped the last time. All right, okay, but we have to finish Segnale di pericolo before I enter the continuation of the previous one we're doing before I came back to continue this one. Okay, for those of you that are new, you might not understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, but I advise you to go back to chapter 1. I have playlists of these videos. So you go from chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. Okay, follow us like that chapter to chapter so that you end up seeing everything that you have to see in this particular patente. Okay, it is very good that you follow us from chapter 1. It is very good. That's why I always refer you back to chapter 1 in all of my videos. Okay, because I know you have to start from the roots to be able to tackle patente. Okay, but let us dive into this particular one and let me explain to you what this particular signal means. Materiale instabile sulla strada. Now, this is Segnale di pericolo. Normally, Segnale di pericolo we see on 150 meter ahead before the danger, not immediately. So it means if I'm seeing this sign, I have not gotten to the point of danger. I am approaching. Okay, so it's just 150 meter ahead, then I will get to the point of the danger. But from now, and I'm seeing the signal, I'm still approaching. I'm not there. Okay, so I have to drive. So I might end up changing my mind, right? I might end up changing my route. Okay, but yeah, that's just it. That's the reality. You're not seeing it exact point. You're seeing it 150 meter ahead before the danger. So prior to the danger, it just gives you, it just warns you, it just prepare you. Okay, so you prepare your mindset on what you're going to meet. All right. That is why it is considered pericolo. Un tratto di strada sulla Q pavimentazione stradale puoi trovarsi dei piastricoli. Now it tells you what this particular road where you drive, so 150 meter ahead, you might see stones. Now, when I say stones, it could be granite. Majority of the time, you find it somewhere like this. Now, we have it in yellow background inside here because due to the road work, that is what it's telling you. Due to this road work, you might find stones on the floor. Okay, you see it like this. Because of it is yellow background, it tells you it was due to the road work, all right? Now you can see something like this with the white background still telling you the same thing. The other one is just telling you it is due to a road work, okay? Questa, oltre a diminuire l'aderenza del veicolo, può essere scagliato a distanza del passaggio del veicolo, diventando pericoloso per altri veicoli o per i pedoni. Now this one tells you reduce your speed, okay? Because this particular one can reduce the grip of your vehicle, okay? It can reduce the grip of your vehicle. The stones that you meet on the floor when you're driving on them, it can reduce the grip of your vehicle, all right? So safety distance, another thing you have to do here, because if you don't do that, it can become dangerous for other vehicle and pedestrians. By the time that stone begin to splash when you're driving on it, okay, it might splash and hit another vehicle or hit a pedestrian. So you have to be careful because this time it's dangerous, all right? So you have to also give a distance from the person in front of you, all right? Richiede quindi di mantenere una distanza maggiore dei veicoli che precede e procedere con cautela in presenza di pedoni. So the same thing, it tells you, maintain a safety distance, bigger safety distance from the vehicle in front of you. And of course, go with caution because of pedestrians, because of people with the waka. Anche se si trovano fuori della carreggiata, even if you find this signal outside of the carreggiata, say no be inside of carreggiata you find them, still do the same thing. Give safety distance for the person in front of you. Go small because of people they walk. Make for no use that small stone splash for their body. Ok. Non è vero che preannuncia un tratto di strada soggetto a frana o caduta massi. This one have their own signal. It has a signal that tells us there's a mass fall in the carreggiata, either by the left or the right side of the carreggiata. It is not this signal. This signal only tells us there's a possibility of stones on the floor, and if you're not careful, you're going to hit people or vehicles with that same stone. Se a fondo giallo preannuncia un tratto di strada non percorribile per la presenza di cantieri stradali. Now this one, it tells you it is due to the road work that it is like this. The road is like this. That means there's an ongoing work here. Okay, there's a presence of stone here due to what? Due to the ongoing work. That is why it is in yellow background. It is in yellow background like this. All right, we have come to the end of this one. It's a very short one. Okay, in the next video I'll be dropping, we'll be seeing animale. Okay, that will find that it is possible we might find them inside the carreggiata. It could be domestic animals or wild animals. So I'll drop that video after this one. All right, see you in my next video, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye.